You guys having a good time so far tonight? Well, right now, ladies and gentlemen, things are about to get a little extreme right now because the following contest is a 7-way no holds barred match. Introducing first, hailing from the 5th floor on the west house of the left, weighing in and sitting at 235 pounds, he is the Messiah of old school, Shawn Donavan.
First one out, the Messiah of old school, Shawn Donavan. And this one is going to be a barn burner, Cat. I don't even know if you know what you're in store for on this one.
I cannot wait.
Number 2, hailing from Wayward, New Jersey, weighing at 213 pounds, he is the WrestlePro Silver Champion, Macintosh.
Matt Macintosh crowned our WrestlePro Silver Champion back August 22nd in Union, New Jersey, is entering the ring right now for this 7-way no DQ match. When you put all these guys in the ring, you say no DQ, something crazy is going to happen. And so far, the WrestlePro matches today have been crazy.
Number 3, hailing from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, weighing at 235 pounds, he is a difference maker,
This is a pretty impressive lineup so far. All these men look like they could really do some damage to each other.
Traxx is a tank. The guy looks and basically wrestles very similar to Kurt Angle, has an amateur wrestling background, and he's an OVW alumni.
New Jersey, weighing at 200 pounds, he is the ace of Spitz, LSG!
A lot of people that are watching live are rooting for LSG, and not because he's a really great wrestler, because he is, but because he's part of our Instagram Live late night family, and there's a lot of them watching this right now in the room. LSG, our former WrestlePro Silver Champion, same thing as Donovan. They have a bad blood history dating back to New Jersey. These two, they do not like each other.
I see that almost like kicked off already.
Weighing in at 213 pounds, this is Corino!
Gigolo Justin, former multi-time WrestlePro Tag Team Champion, former multi-time ROW Booker T's Company Texas Tag Team Champion. The guy has held virtually Tag Team Championships in every single state. But Justin Corino, now a singles competitor here in WrestlePro, is entering this match as contestant number 5 with 2 more to go.
Hailing from the wrong side of the Traxx and weighing in at 215 pounds, Wayward!
Contestant number 6 in this match, participant number 6, former WrestlePro 2-time gold champion, Wayward. Bobby Wayward holds victories over almost every single person in WrestlePro.
Choosing the seventh and final competitor, hailing from Wasilla, Alaska. Weighing at 240 pounds, he is the Iceberg, Dion Rusman.
Shocker. Whatever, I'm going to tell you guys anyway. My partner, Matt Plant, walks by me. He's like, the building just told us, please come back. We want you back. Hell yes, Soldotna, Alaska. We're going to 100% come back. I'm sorry you can't hear me right now because the hometown hero, Alaska's favorite son, Dion Rusman, Wasilla, Alaska's Dion Rusman, has entered the ring, and they're going crazy right now for Dion. All 7 are in the ring. And this is a combustible element. I do no DQ. I have no idea what to expect. Oh! Kick to the face! Super kick!
These men taking no time at all to get started. They're already jumping at the bit before.
3 right hands to Bobby Wayward. We're down to 3 that quick. 7 turns into 3. You got the former silver champion LSG, the current silver champion Matt Macintosh, the #1 contender in Dion Rusman. Uh-oh, it's breaking down.
Oh, big attack there from behind. Not only one man is left in the ring, and it's a lion. Now there's only 2 men.
I'm sorry, I'm slightly distracted, guys.
No.
I have
I was in trouble seeing
in my way. I couldn't see the action. Baseball slide. Macintosh leapfrogs over. Elias Barats. That strike. Press slam.
That was a big fall from pretty high up, and somebody's in trouble.
I'll be damned if I'm not looking at Elias Barats and I'm thinking Kurt Angle right now. This is craziness.
The rest of the men fighting on the outside. There's chaos in the stadium.
They're on the outside. Wayward is over by us. LSG and Shawn Donavan are making their way to the commentary table. Matt Macintosh in the ring. He's winding up. It looks like he's going for a dive. Oh! Oh!
Oh, goodness gracious.
We got cookie sheets of right hand right in front of us. Shawn Donavan, another one to LSG. They are climbing up the stairs right on the side of us.
Oh, my God.
Holy crap, this is pandemonium.
Oh my God, this could get dangerous.
They are up in the balcony, I cannot even see them.
But we can hear them fighting. Seems to be a precarious situation. Mayhem and chaos breaking out all around the arena.
We got a cookie sheet to Macintosh. Justin Corino on the far side. We got Shawn Donavan and LSG up in the balcony battling it out. This is crazy. Oh!
Some chairs have been thrown into the ring and now being used on the outside.
The crowd is, oh shit.
Uh-oh. A fight just broke out. Some of the fans in the crowd getting involved. KF jumping in. It seems to have gotten dispersed. Potentially some crowd members being escorted out of the building. The fight continuing. Now right here over by the merch table. I'm trying to get out of the way just a little bit.
So there went the water bottle into the face of LSG.
And now these 2 men seem to have a grudge with each other that is now being acted out right here in front of the camera.
Shawn Donavan and LSG definitely getting beaten.
Guys, unfortunately, crazy stuff happens. The environment, an intoxicated fan put his hands on Bobby Wayward, and you don't do that. You don't do that here. I mean, these are trained athletes, they're trained professionals. Sometimes, you know, the fans get a little too involved.
Huge, massive chair shot there by LSG right in front of the merchandise
The situation's
table.
under control. Holy crap, what is going on? I said this match was going to be crazy, Kat, and crazy is not even the word. This match is extremely crazy. Anything can happen, anything does happen at professional wrestling events.
Oh, huge spine buster in the ring just then on LSG. This personal feud is starting to be taken into a public competition.
Bobby Wayward is not a likable guy. Bobby Wayward gets in your face. Bobby Wayward pisses you off, and Bobby Wayward can, you know, make somebody want to go after him. Bobby Wayward is that guy. But just like proven, you put your hands on him, Bobby's going to get right in your face, and bad things are going to happen.
Oh
So
my
Wayward
goodness.
Vice fans, don't act like that stupid moron in the crowd. Keep your hands to yourself.
The trash can now in play with LSG using it to great effect. And his opponent now dangling at the ropes, barely holding on. And finally falling to the floor. LSG stands victorious for the moment, the only man left in the ring. Right now, once again, the fight spills out to the outside.
Kat, Kelsey said you're doing a great job.
Wonderful. Thank you, Kelsey. I appreciate you.
Oh, we got a board! What the heck? Where the hell is that? Where do you even get a board? Where did that board even come from?
I don't know.
I miss it. Where the hell did they pull this gigantic, like, 8-foot board out of?
It looks a little ungainly to handle to
This
be
is
able
crazy,
to use.
man. It's craziness,
Oh! Huge move here by this man in the ring.
Kat, everyone's saying how great of a job you're doing here.
Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you so
Kelsey,
much.
Jason.
I'm having a wonderful time. This is an exciting day.
I don't even know what's going on over here. We got a chop by Dion, a knee. This is what? I don't even know what I'm watching. Like, I don't even think the fans are cheering for somebody. I literally think the fans are just going crazy for the match. Oh, maybe they're cheering for Dion, actually.
Well, Dion now doesn't seem to be in such a great position. Now two men take advantage of him. He's in the corner. Now he's up on the top rope, a very precarious position, seeing he's in defensive mode right now. Anything can happen now. Will he fall?
Gave him a straight right hand, Shawn Donavan. Oh! Cookie, what is that? I don't even know what that was. It looked like a little mini trash can.
Oh! A big Lego box now coming into
Oh my,
play.
that is Legos. That is what the, why are, he's pouring Legos in the ring. What? No! No way!
Not that, anything but that. That is possibly one of the most painful things that you could fall on.
I don't think he's going to build something with those damn Legos. Oh, he blocked it.
I think he's planning on polishing Dion's body with those Legos, but he's fighting out of it. He might still big headbutt.
Shawn Donavan teetering. Oh, left hand. Headbutt. No.
Is he gonna? He's gonna. Oh! He fell into those Legos, and the crowd grows. They know how painful this is.
That does not feel good. Dion Rusman to the outside.
Bobby quickly coming up, taking the advantage, throwing him off the top there, and taking the boots to him on the outside.
I don't even know what's going on. I see LSG. LSG's looking battered right now.
I think everybody's looking battered right now.
Well, we're not
Some
Justin
people-
Corino. Justin Corino's looking pretty fresh. He's
That's
getting in the
true.
ring right now. Oh!
Big kick to the head that didn't look pleasant at all to be on the receiving end of. You're right, he is standing tall. He's walking around the ring like nothing happens.
He's going for the pin on Macintosh. Only a 1 count.
Unlucky there, but he's going to try again. Maybe choose a shot. No. Kick is out again.
Matthew Garcia, watching live, says this might be the craziest multi-man match I've seen. Guys, and it's happening in freaking Alaska, where they don't get wrestling. He has the titty toms to the nipples. Cat, that does not feel good. At 15, once upon a time, I actually had my nipple pierced, and it hurt. And I took it out in like 2 weeks. That does not feel good.
I can attest to that.
No! That feels even worse!
Oh my goodness.
Oh! Over the top to the floor. Elias Baratz. Oh!
Huge knee to the face.
That is a knockout blow, flying knee.
I heard
Elias
that.
Baratz is a beast. LSG is about to slay the beast, though. Standing drop kick.
That was a picture-perfect drop kick. I'm surprised that he can get that
Oh!
this late in the match. Huge dive to the outside.
LSG over the top, rolls through, goes to the cutter. Oh my God! Oh my God! Went for the cutter. His patented rolling cutter. He got a cookie sheet to the face, and Wayward is loving every second.
He is celebrating this moment. Once again, pulling that huge wooden board into the ring.
That is an 8-foot board, Cat. An 8-foot board. I still don't know where they got it from. I'm assuming Home Depot at some point, but I have no idea how it got in the building.
He sets it up. Spear!
Rusman with his patented spear. That's brought him every victory so far. Oh!
And a
WrestlePro.
And a huge power slam right in the middle of the ring. He's on fire.
The energy level in this crowd is ridiculous. Ridiculous.
Could he win this? Do you think he's about to pick up the ring, Kevin? What do you think? He's on top of the world right now.
Shawn Donavan. Oh, we got Shawn Donavan and Elias Baratz both making their way up. Those are not two guys you want coming after you simultaneously.
And
those are two bad individuals with bad intentions.
And now Justin Corino is well stalked from all angles. It's over for Dion for now. And now the big trash can comes into play yet again.
He's saying bring a blow. Uh-oh. I mean, this is an insult to injury. Dion Rusman trains in Davenport. He trains in Davenport, Iowa. I was about to say he trains in Davenport, Iowa with Seth Rollins himself. He's a student of Seth Rollins, relocated from Alaska to train solely with Seth Rollins in Davenport. And they were about to do the patented Shield Triple Team Powerbomb. Seth Rollins' old faction. Insult to injury to Dion Rusman in his home state of all places.
But he was able to kick out of that cover barely, and now he's rolled to the outside. Probably a good tactic to maybe lick his wounds a little bit and get back.
WrestlePro Alaska is lit. My friend, you have no idea. Spear! Oh, sorry, I'm actually watching the replay from earlier, and I got equally as excited. I have the TV screen up by my side. There's so much action, I don't even know where to look. This is chaos. And we still have the main event boxing fight that's next.
Wooden board is now coming back into play.
Handspring! Apple slicer!
Oh my goodness, will that be enough for the win?
The crowd has come unglued. They've been this way all night, but they just came alive even more somehow.
Elias come back in.
WrestlePro Alaska is lit as
double
hell.
underhook.
You're damn right.
Oh!
What is this?
Huge slam there.
Rock bottom. Or Uranagi suplex, whichever one you want to call it.
but not going for the cover. LSG now going to the outside,
I
following
don't
the
even
men
know
out.
if they realize how to win this match anymore. I think it's just a matter of survival in this damn thing. The referee's moving that board, that huge, gigantic board.
It's just turned into an out-and-out fight. It's every man for himself.
We have a show tomorrow. I'm not going to have any damn voice left. This is insane. Insane.
Shawn Donavan back in the ring. What's he going to do? He's hitting the ropes and oh my God, he's a huge dive to the outside on the remaining man.
Rusman just cleared the top rope with ease and took out everybody.
And the crowd celebrates in style. They love this man. They're behind this man.
Matthew Garcia said, how is this not the main event? Because every match on this card could have been the damn main event. This card is ridiculous.
Oh my God, is he setting up for another spear? Could he go into the... Oh, low blow. What a low blow.
That will take anyone down. Macintosh behind him, picking him up.
Oh.
No! Oh! DVD! DVD through the board! Through the board! That's it! That could be it! It is!
He's done it!
Wow!
And the
What
crowd is
a
wild.
match! This night has been crazy!
What a night! The crowd on their feet, they can't quite believe it.
All the people at home watching this stream are literally getting a freaking pay-per-view, if not better than one, for free! For free! For free!
For free!
For free!
For free, Kevin!
It's free, everybody!
It's free, 99
You're watching
free.
it for free! Holy crap! At first, I didn't know about the fights mixed with the wrestling matches, but oh my goodness, what the hell what a night! What a night!
And Macintosh holding up his belt, his championship belt, facing off with Rusman in the ring. Is this a sign of feuds to come?
Anna for free! Everyone!
The crowd now celebrating Rusman in the ring. Celebrating their hero. They're giving him a hero's goodbye. They want to see him again. They want to see him come back.
This is insane. And look at this. Rusman getting a hero's ovation. Tomorrow night, he will go for the WrestlePro Gold Championship. It's been a year in the making. Rusman will try to capture gold in his hometown of Alaska, in front of his friends and family in Palmer, Alaska, tomorrow. What a night! What a night! Yes, why? Yes, it is for free.